Hi guys, have you been a Cash App customer? If so, they might owe you money. And I know what you're gonna say.
It's okay, just give me my money. Girl, what the fuck?
You're only gonna get $9 from the settlement.
Well, that might not be the case. Cash App is giving away up to $2,500 per person.
Use Cash App, you may be able to claim up to $2,500 as a part of
that's actually eligible. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can file a claim and how you can get your cut. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair expense in your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get up to $2,500 with the Cash App settlement. But before we get to the video, guys, please like, subscribe to the channel. It allows you to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like, subscribe to the channel.
If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report.
Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I'm super excited about this video because a lot of people has been falling victim to all these data breaches. It was the Equifax data breach, it was the Cash App data breach, it was so many data breaches hitting the country, and now I've seen that every social security number in the country has been breached as well, which has a whole nother set of problems. But in today's video, we're talking about the Cash App settlement. So let's dive straight in. So as you can see on the app, it's saying Cash App data breach, how to claim up to $2,500. And guys, I know that you're probably thinking that I'm not eligible, but you might be surprised, because if you have had any type of suspicion with Cash App or anything like that with your account, you might actually be eligible. And it actually gives you a option where you can put in your information, your email, and see if you're eligible. I'm gonna show you that later. So as you can see, it says Cash App data breach settlement, how to claim up to $2,500. Cash App is expected to pay $15 million in a class action settlement due to 2 data security incidents and company practices around unauthorized account access and fraudulent transactions, meaning eligible Cash App users can file a claim and receive up to $2,500. In a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, Cash App explained that the first data breach occurred due to a former employee. I've seen that Navy Federal have had some issues with data breaches as well due to disgruntled employees, and I'm like right now working on getting my certification for cybersecurity, and we're learning this right now. We're learning the different type of threat actors, and we're learning that this is one of the most common actors when it comes to starting these type of breaches, and that's just disgruntled employees. So, and what I'm learning is that it's going to basically put the country in a momentum of having to always protect their identity. I've seen an article that said identity theft insurance is going to be as common as automobile insurance in the next 10 years. And if these data breaches actually continue to go on, I think it's going to be a lot faster. They also say, we determined that a former employee downloaded certain reports of our subsidiary Cash App invested in 2021 that contains some U.S. customer information without permission after our former employee ended, Cash App said. According to the class action lawsuit, the ex-staffer actions and access to customer information resulted in 8.2 million Cash App customer sensitive personal information being published online. Last year, another data breach occurred when Cash App found some customers' accounts had been accessed and unauthorized transactions occurred. It also says that class action complaint alleges alleges that Cash App and the parent company Block, formerly known as Square, have been negligent security features, protocol systems, screening, and design. Cash App and Block, however, have denied any wrongdoing. PCM Mag has reached out to Cash App for comment. Who can file a claim? Now, guys, if you are a Cash App customer, you're going to want to hear this. It says any Cash App or Cash App investor customers who suspect their Cash App accounts were accessed by unauthorized entities, saw fraudulent transactions on their accounts, believe a Cash App error resolution was inadequate, or otherwise saw their sensitive personal information swiped via Cash App between August 23rd, 2018 and August 20th, 2024 are eligible to file a claim. Now, this is the website where you're going to be able to file the claim with. Now, from what I've heard, that some people have had emails sent to them from Cash App lawyers team, and if you haven't have gotten that email, you can put your information here and actually get the email sent to your email address. Now, these are the dates for the Cash App deadline. So you have to file November 18th, 2024. You have to file a claim before then. The exclusion deadline is November 1st. Objection deadline is November 1st, and the final approval hearings is December 16th. So you can submit the claim to be eligible to receive a claimant reward or settlement benefits, including payment for out-of-pocket losses, lost time, or transaction losses from the settlement. You must submit a timely and valid claim form. The claim form must be submitted no later than November 18, 2024. And this is the website. It will be in the link in the description below. And guys, I think that this is a domino effect. I've seen a lot of data breaches, especially this year. We have seen some over the last 10 to 15 years, a lot more. I think data breaches are up probably 500% in the last 10 to 15 years. And I think that this is going to create a lot of opportunity for the cybersecurity field, or anyone that's looking to go into identity theft protection. Guys, if you do not have any type of identity theft protection, you can go to icredit.com. We do have identity theft insurance on every client that signs up with us, and basically you will get $1 million identity theft insurance, where if anything happened to your identity while you signed up with the IC credit profile, you will actually be able to get rewarded any type of damages that have possibly occurred during the identity theft. And guys, you got to protect yourself. Identity theft is serious, and if you don't protect yourself, you are at risk for a potential downside when it comes to your lifestyle, when it comes to your privacy, when it comes to your whole entire identity. So guys, be careful. Like I said, if you want to check out any identity theft options, I recommend icredit.com. And if you are interested in this, go to the link in the description below. If you find any of this information helpful, guys, please, like I said, like, subscribe to the channel, share this information with any person that you know that is a Cash App employee. Like I said, comment any type of comments, whether you are dealing with this personally, if you have ever dealt with any issues with Cash App or data breaches, let me know in the comment section. Guys, if you need any type of credit repair or any type of credit restoration, collections, charge off, medical bills, any of that stuff, guys, go to creditapprove.com and we can jump on a call together, figure out what's going on, and I'll be more than happy to help out with any type of situation credit wise that you are having. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.